Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
We're so excited to introduce you to our newest innovation, the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I mean, the dream is really to wake up looking like you're rested. There's nothing worse than waking up with dark circles, puffy eyes, and kind of just looking so tired and starting the day like that.
We formulated this product with nourishing avocado, which we all love, and we added potent retinol, which is our newest favorite ingredient. And because the under eye area is super delicate and it is the most fragile, dry area of your face, we wanted to make sure that this formula is gentle at the same time.
Retinol in an eye cream is the dream ingredient. It's an amazing, time-tested, clinically proven anti-aging ingredient, but some formulas with it can be a little bit dry or irritating or harsh. And what we did was we encapsulated the retinol for gentle time release throughout the night so that you're getting the right dosage to treat the eye area, but with gentleness.
We also encapsulated other active ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So those three, retinol, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, work over time and are slowly released throughout the night, so they're continuously working as opposed to just giving that release all at once.
In addition to avocado oil and extract, which are rich in linoleic acid and oleic acid, we added in plant-derived squalane to help hydrate and condition the delicate eye area.
And we were able to add antioxidant-packed Coffeeberry, which is a really, really gentle but also powerful ingredient to awaken your eyes, especially when they're dull or tired.
And this eye sleeping mask is super easy to use. After cleansing and toning, take a pea-sized amount with your ring finger, which is the weakest finger and thus the most delicate, and dot it around the orbital bone of your eye area and keep patting until everything is fully absorbed.
We often get this question a lot: when should you use eye cream in your skincare routine? We recommend using it after cleansing and toning and before your serum or treatment step, because typically serums are not really tested around the eye area and they're not formulated to be used around the eye area. Make sure you check if the formula has been tested, ophthalmologist tested, or dermatologist tested, because those are the safe formulas that you can use around the eye. Once you try this eye mask, we're sure that you'll want to apply it all over your face because it is so amazing. But we also created an avocado retinol sleeping mask for your face as well. We can't wait to see your bright eyes soon. Until then, get your glow on!